So yes, y'all, this is one of those TikTok made me do it videos right here. Let's go. I'm excited. Get your pen, get your paper, and bring your appetite. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ciara. For those of you who are new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Y'all know me and TikTok have a thing where we clash like this, and I am in the mood to write things down in my handy dandy notebook. Let me just say, I'm ready to make these. There's no ifs, ands, buts about it. White chocolate cinnamon rolls sounds delicious to me. Especially because they are white chocolate cinnamon roll brownies, even better. So let's go ahead and pull out everything that we're gonna need to make this. If you don't mind, do me a favor before we get started. Go ahead and look down below to see if you are subscribed. If you're not, consider subscribing to my channel. And also, if you don't mind hitting that thumbs up button, hit that thumbs up button. Just let me know that you like this type of video and I will bring more. Okay, so in the kitchen I have the vanilla flavored candy coating almond bark. I have the clear vanilla. I also have the baking powder. I have 3 eggs because I'm going to simply just be using 2 full eggs, 1 of the egg yolk. I also have salt. 2 sticks of butter. I need to cut this in half because we will only be using 1.5 sticks of butter. I also have some flour and sugar. Alright, so I have my measuring tools in this. I'm going to use this, and we'll also need a smaller one. Alright, first things first, we're going to do 1 1/3 cup of flour into a bowl. I'm also going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm also going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of the baking powder. Whisk it together really good. Alright, let's set that to the side. Next, you're going to get a small bowl. Alright, so next go ahead and add in 1 1/4 cup of sugar into your other bowl. Alright, we're going to go ahead and crack those 3 eggs, except we're going to just do 2, and then I have to get the yolk for the 3rd one. Okay, so there it is. I'm going to put the egg yolk in there. Boom. So we're going to go ahead and beat that up together, the sugar and the egg yolks. Alright, next we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of the vanilla. Alright, go ahead and whisk and stir that in, and then we're going to get ready to melt the butter and the white chocolate. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put in half of that butter along with the full stick. Then I'm going to go ahead and also add in the almond bark. Let me just say that each square is 2 ounces. Just so that you know, and I only need 8, so 2, 4, 6, 8. Just need to break it like this, and I'm gonna melt these together. All right, so here it is kind of melted. We're gonna mix it up and then probably have to put it back into the microwave again. But we wanna show the butter and the white chocolate mixture. All right guys, so you just wanna make sure that it's fully melted. As you can see, I'm still fighting with it. So I'm gonna put it back into the microwave for another 30 seconds. Hopefully it will break down. All right, so I'm gonna pour in what I have. Some of it still needs to be melted. We're gonna mix this in the best way that we can. This is the butter and white chocolate mixture. All right, so I melted the rest the best way that I could. It's not really breaking down as easy as you guys can see. I'm just gonna stir it up, hoping that the heat will break the rest of that white chocolate down and add it in to our mixture. Okay y'all, so this is about as good as it's gonna get. This is the mixture that I have. I do not want to heat this up now that it is blended in with the eggs, so it is what it is. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add in the mixture of the dry ingredients half at a time here until it's well combined. All right, so now I'm gonna add half of this mixture to the pan, and then we're gonna put something on top first. All right, so now that half of it's in here, I'm gonna spread to make it even. Plain and simple, just like that. Next, we're gonna put some brown sugar and cinnamon mixture on top. All right, so now that I have the mixture ready, we're gonna spread an even layer. All right, next I'm going to take a toothpick and we're just going to gently swirl this everywhere in here, just like you see me doing right here. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and add in the remaining batter. Okay, so we're gonna be swirling the top as well. It's okay if you don't have enough of the batter to cover certain parts. That is a-okay. Okay, so while that's in the oven for 30 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and put together a glaze to put on top of them for when they cool. That way I can go ahead and have the kitchen all cleaned up. Y'all, with like 10 minutes left on the brownies, I can smell them all the way over at my desk area. Let me just say they smell delicious. But with 10 minutes left, let's go ahead and whip up the glaze. Y'all, with 17 seconds, I wish I could be in my kitchen to smell this. Ooh, Jesus. After y'all try them, you'll be saying the same thing. Oh my gosh, it looks so good already. I'm just gonna set a timer for myself for 30 minutes. That way I know that's how long I have to wait for it to cool down. Okay, my timer just went off. I think that these are cooled down just a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to put that glaze on. Okay, now that it's completely cooled off, I'm gonna go ahead and add that glaze. Okay, so the white chocolate cinnamon roll brownies are officially done. I will go ahead and cut a piece just to show you guys the inside and tell you what it really tastes like. So as you guys can see here, it is out of the pan. From what you guys can see here, it doesn't make a mess in your pan. Let's give it a try. Okay. Finally sat down to give it a try. I know y'all wish I could have some right about now, right? You can. The recipe will be in my description box down below. Also, run this video back. Oh my God. Okay. Full, honest review, opinion, period. So my full honest review and opinion of this, years ago I made a honey bun cake, and let me just say it tastes just like that, except this is like so well put together. It's not breaking apart. I can fully taste the cinnamon as well as that glaze and that white chocolate and butter together. It's honestly amazing. I hope that you all check out that recipe, like I said, in my description box, or run this video back and write it down and try it for yourself. Because if I sit here any longer, you're going to see me devour this whole piece. That's how good it is. Thank you guys for watching.